a full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. Here comes another reading day to remind us the relevance of good reading. Dear friends, I think you might have all watched the movie The Priest. Now, we have the playback singer of the movie, Baby Nia Charlie. She was the student of Alfonsa Music Academy run by our school. I welcome Nia Charlie.
ഹായ്, എൻ്റെ പേര് നിയ ചാർലി. അൽഫോൺസ സ്കൂളിലെ എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും വായനാ ദിനത്തോടനുബന്ധിച്ച് നല്ലൊരു വായനാ ദിനം ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. അൽഫോൺസ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ മ്യൂസിക് അക്കാഡമിയിൽ എൻ്റെ പ്രാരംഭ സംഗീത ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ അഭ്യസിക്കുവാൻ എനിക്ക് ഭാഗ്യം ലഭിച്ചത് ഞാൻ ഇന്നും സന്തോഷത്തോടെ ഓർക്കുന്നു. ഇനി ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ കൊച്ചു കൂട്ടുകാർക്കായി ദ പ്രീസ്റ്റ് എന്ന മൂവി ഞാൻ പാടിയ മനോഹരമായ ഗാനം നിങ്ങൾക്കായി
നസറേത്തിൻ നാട്ടിലെ പാവനി മേരി മാതേ, യേശയ്യാവിൻ മൊഴി ഭൂമിയിൽ മാറിപ്പോവാൻ, വെൺമാലാഖ നിൻ നാമം പാടി കന്യാവന ശാഖി
I cordially invite our principal, Father Gilson Joseph Taib, for introducing the programs of Reading Week.
Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Have a nice day. I am happy to meet you today. Today, I would like to speak about the Reading Week celebration in our school. So, I want to make it a celebration. So, because we are observing the death day of a man who celebrated his life reading. We observe Reading Day on June 19. Nationally, we observe the day. It is the day of the death of P.N. Panikkar. So P.N. Panikkar was a Kerala teacher. So we should be proud. The death day of a Kerala teacher is nationally observed as a reading day. He was a man of reading and he was a promoter of libraries in Kerala. So he is known as the man of libraries in India. So his death day, his memorial day is celebrated observed as the National Reading Day. And we observe the Reading Week from June 19 to June 26. So in Alfonsa School, we have a plan for the students. We make it as a plan that our students read at least one book during this time. So you collect a book from anywhere. A book fit for you, whatever be the book, a book fit for you, you collect and it may be with you. So read one book during this time. Every student has to read. So my plan is this way. The students of classes 5 to 12 have to read one book. It will be part of your internal assessment of English language. So the English teachers will coordinate it. So you have to read one book. After reading, you have to write a short review of the book. It need not be a systematic book review, but you have to write a review of the book. And you have to record a video of 90 seconds, 1.5 minutes. After recording, you send the video through your WhatsApp to your English teacher. So the English teacher will assess it and he or she will select the best one among it. And the students of classes 4 can choose either a book or an article of maximum 7 pages. Or it can be a book fit for you. So you also have to prepare a review of what you have read. And you have to prepare the review and record the review in a video presentation and send to your English teacher. And the English teacher will select, so all the students who sent the review will get internal mark for their English subject for the first term examination. And second thing, the best in each class will get 100 rupees cash prize. I will offer it. And the best in each section, that is in LP section classes 1 to 4, classes 5 to 8, classes 9 to 12. The best in each session will receive a cash prize of 500 rupees. So this way you have an offer. Every student will get internal mark. The best in the class will get 100 rupees cash prize. The best in the session will get 500 rupees cash prize. And the cash prize will be Google paid to your account immediately after the result. So what you should do? You have to read a book, prepare a book review. Last year I completed reading almost 13 books. I was very happy to complete, and that was the best reading year in my life. This year also I plan to read a lot. So among the reading, the books of Chetan Bhagat, the novels of Chetan Bhagat really brought me to the field of reading. I enjoyed reading. Not because of the value of the contents, but because of the style of his presentation. I love his reading. So today I just want to present you a model or a sample short review. I have read this book. This is the book written by Chetan Bhagat. The name of the book, 2 States. So Chetan Bhagat is a famous and well-known novelist from India, and he is known internationally. And he has written lots of novels, and 2 States is one of his famous novels. And in 2 States, it's very interesting to read the love affair between two persons, a young boy and a young girl, one from the North India and one from the South India. And they are planning for their marriage, and in India, the marriage is not a plan between 2 persons, it's between 2 families. So the 2 families evaluate and assess each other, and the interesting scenes are in this novel. So it was interesting. The language and the presentation of the novelist was something very much attractive, and the Indian way of presentation was also good. So for a starter reading, I recommend the books of Chetan Bhagat, just for making us free and enter to the world of reading. So this way you have to present a small review of your books. That's all. Just 1.5 minutes. So wish you all the best. Read well. This should be an inspiration for our reading for the upcoming programs. Thank you very much.
Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. And as further said, let's all read at least one book and make review. And let's see who will win for this money. So thank you and keep reading.